Dashboards give you answers, but not always the right ones. What if you could ask any question across all your data and get a trusted answer instantly? Meet AIDA, your AI digital assistant for exploring data, making decisions, and taking action in real time. Ask in plain language, dive deeper with follow-up questions, get answers, visualizations, and recommended next steps all in seconds. From question to answer to action. At enterprise scale, speed matters. But when answers are inconsistent, decisions become misaligned. AIDA understands your business context with consistent definitions, governance, and lineage built in. So every answer reflects how your business runs. That's only possible with the Starburst Enterprise Intelligence platform, a unified governed foundation connecting your entire data estate, clouds, on-premises, and SaaS applications without moving data or replatforming. Starburst creates shared enterprise context, so every team, every agent, and every data product works from the same version of the truth. And it powers intelligent agents that reason across your data, apply policies automatically, and turn questions into consistent, repeatable outcomes. From the data layer to context to AI-driven decisions. This is the Starburst Enterprise Intelligence platform. One governed foundation for every decision.